welcome to my channel Kalayu. So today we are going to make some earrings from Mouldit. So Mouldit is something provided by Acrylic. It contains of two components. One is a resin base and another is the hardener. We will be mixing these both components and then we can make use of it as our normal clay. Once both the components are completely mixed, we can start with our earrings. So I'll start by flattening the Mouldit mixture. So we will be using cutter to make perfect circles for our earring. For second part of the earrings, I am making two rectangles. I am using a Fevicol bottle cap. Instead of that, you can use any bottle cap available at your house. You have to just make sure that it is smaller than the previous circle which you have made. Then you can use your tools for the finishing. You just have to make sure that your inner circle or any kind of shape which you are making inside your previous circle should have a depth so that later you can fill it with resin. I'm not looking at the perfection of the shape here as I want a little antique looking structure at the end. So it's okay if it goes little here or there. I will be attaching the circles to the rectangle. So for that I'll be using hooks. So when the earrings are wet, we will be attaching the hooks. With leftover Mouldit, I am making another design. So this is just a fast forward video of that. Once satisfied with your structure, you can leave it to dry. It will take around 5 to 6 hours to dry it completely. Once dried, we can start with our painting. So for antique finish, I like to start with a black base. So I'm using black acrylic color here. For resin filling, I am making use of three colors, that is yellow, red and blue. To have color resin, you just need to add a few drops of acrylic color to your transparent resin mixture and then you are ready to go. It takes 12 to 24 hours for your resin to dry. Once dried, we can finish our earrings with a final coat of silver or golden. your earrings turned out. Link to my Insta and Facebook page has been listed below in description. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.